पुढचा टाइप आहे आपला सबसेट. 4 टाइप आपले बघून झालेले आहेत. पाचवा टाइप आहे सबसेट. Set A is said to be subset of set B if every element of set A is also an element of set B. बघा पुढची डेफिनेशन आहे सबसेटची. डेफिनेशन काय सांगते? A set is said to be subset of set B. आपल्याकडे दोन सेट आहेत. One is A and second is B. So set A is said to be subset of this set B if every element of set A is also an element of set B. Every element of set A. Suppose A contains 1, 2, 3. Now condition is every element of set A is also an element of set B. So if A contains 1, 2, 3, then B also contains 1, 2 and 3. So condition is every element of set A is also an element of set B. Then A is called subset of set B. A contains 1, 2, 3. B contains 1, 2, 3 and 4. So A belongs to A, 1 belongs to A and 1 belongs to B also. 2 belongs to A, 2 belongs to B. 3 belongs to A, 3 belongs to B. So every element of set A is also an element of set B, and B contains at least one element or no element, and B contains at least one element which is not in A. कमीत कमी एक एलिमेंट बी मध्ये असा पाहिजे, नसला तरी चालेल, की जो ए मध्ये असणार नाही. Then A is called subset of set B. It is denoted by A is subset of B. बोलताना म्हणायचं A is subset of B, लिहिताना मात्र असं लिहायचं. So you can write like this and read as A is subset of set B. So A is subset of B. Definition says every element of set A is an element of set B, and B contains at least one element which is not in A. So A is called subset of set B. Now see, this is C. C is the contains A, B and C, and this is D. Suppose it is A, B, C and D. Now what happens? A, B, C all belongs to C, and this is also belongs to D. So every element of set A is an element of set B, and B contains this D which is not in A. Sorry, C. Then C is subset of set D. So this is every element of set A is the element of set B. So A is subset of B. Every element of set C is also an element of set D. So C is subset of D. Now suppose consider this is A. A is A, E, R. And this is B. Suppose A, E and R. Now read your definition. Every element of set A is an element of set B. A, E and I are elements of A. Also A, E and I are also elements of set B. So every element of set A is an element of set B. So A is subset of B, correct? Now reverse. A is element of B, E is element of B, I is element of B. Again here A, E, I are also element of set A. Now you can write like this also. B is subset of A. Is it correct? Every element of set A are elements of set B. Again reverse. Every element of set B is an element of set A. So A is subset of B. Similarly, B is subset of A. Now consider this one. This is phi. Phi is empty set. Nothing is there. No element is present in this set. Then consider suppose B and phi. So in phi there is no element. So you can write phi is also subset of set B. Definition says every element of set A is an element of set B. So phi is empty set. There is nothing, no element in present in this set. So phi is also subset of set B. Again, phi is subset of set A. So similarly, you can write in general statement, phi is subset of every set. Phi is subset of every set. phi मध्ये काहीच नसतं, तो एम्प्टी सेट असतो. त्यामुळं एम्प्टी सेट हा प्रत्येक संचाचा उपसंच असतो. So phi is subset of every set. Again, suppose this is set A. 1, 2, 3. Again, you can write 1, 2, 3. So every element of set A are the elements of set A. Correct? Every element of set A is an element of set A. प्रत्येक A मधला प्रत्येक नंबर, प्रत्येक एलिमेंट हा सेट A मध्ये आहे. So A is subset of A. Every element of set A is also element of set A. या वरच्या A मधले प्रत्येक एलिमेंट हे खालच्या A मध्ये आहे. त्यामुळे वरचा A हा खालच्या A चा सबसेट आहे. मग हे नाहीच लिहिलं. If you write only one set, so A is subset of A, means every element of set A is also an element of set A. So every set is subset of itself. Every set is subset of itself. Similarly, you can write B is subset of B, C is subset of C. So phi is subset of every set, and every set is subset of itself. The next definition is superset. If A is subset of B, then B is called superset of set A. Suppose this is set A, 1, 2, and 3. And this is set B, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is our previous example. So every element of set A is also element of set B. So you can write A is subset of B. This is your subset. A is subset of B. Now reverse process. If A is subset of B, means every element of set A is the element of set B, then this bigger set is called, that is set B is called superset. This A is called subset, and this bigger set is called superset of set A. So you can write like this: B is superset of set A. पहिल्यांदा आपण काय बघितलं? A is subset of B बघितलं. आता उलट बघतोय. छोट्या सेटला आपण म्हटलं सबसेट. Small set is subset, and this bigger set is superset. C, it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and D is 2, 6, 8. Now, which is subset? Every element of set D is element of set C. So D is subset of C. Now what about superset? Which is superset? This C is superset. So C is superset of D. सध्या आपण superset बघतोय त्यामुळे एवढा सिम्बॉल लिहूया. So C is superset of set D. थोडक्यात काय तर एखादा सबसेट असेल, प्रत्येक ए मधला प्रत्येक एलिमेंट हा बी मध्ये असेल आणि बी मध्ये कमीत कमी एक एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट असेल किंवा नसेल पण, तर या ए ला आपण काय म्हणणार, ए इज सबसेट ऑफ बी. आणि हा जो मोठा सेट आहे या मोठ्या सेटला काय म्हणणार, सुपरसेट. छोट्या सेटला म्हणणार सबसेट, मोठ्या सेटला म्हणणार सुपरसेट. पुढची डेफिनेशन आहे प्रॉपर सबसेट. सबसेटचाच प्रकार आहे, आत्ताच आपण सबसेट सुपरसेट बघितलं, त्याच्याच पुढचं आहे प्रॉपर सबसेट. अ नॉन एम्प्टी सेट A is said to be a proper subset of set B if all elements of set A are in the set B and at least one element of B is not in A. So a non-empty set A, first condition is your set A is non-empty set, means at least one element is present in this set A. So non-empty set A is said to be proper subset of set B. Now we can take again second set is B. If all the elements of set A are in set B. So suppose A is 1, 7, 8. Now condition is all elements of set A are in set B. So this is B contains also 1, 7 and 8. And at least one element of B which is not in A. So B contains at least one element which is not in A. So suppose you can write 10 or any number. So 1, 7, 8 are elements of A which are also elements of B, and B contains this 10, at least one. You can write one number also. Suppose you write 12. So B contains two elements 10 and 12 which are not elements of set A. So B contains at least one element. कमीत कमी एक पाहिजे, जास्त असले तरी चालतील. आता सध्या आपण 2 लिहिले, तुम्ही नुसतं 10 लिहिलं तरी चालेल. So at least one element of B which is not in A. Then this A is called proper subset of set B. Then this A is proper subset of set B. A is proper subset of set B. Now see, C is 1, 7, 8, 10, 12 and suppose 30. Now what happens? 1, 7, 8, 10, 12 are the elements of B which are also the elements of C. Correct? And C contains this 13. C contains this 13 which is not in B. So you can write B is proper subset of set C. B काय C चा प्रॉपर सबसेट आहे का, तर B मधले प्रत्येक एलिमेंट हा C मध्ये आहे and C contains at least one element which is not in B. So C, B is subset of proper subset of set C. Now what about A and C? A contains 1, 7, 8. C contains 1, 7, 8. And these three numbers. So every element of set A is an element of set C. And C contains this 10, 12 and 13 which are not in A. So again C is proper subset of set C. बरोबर आहे का, चेक करा. A मधले प्रत्येक एलिमेंट हा C मध्ये आहे आणि C मध्ये 3 एलिमेंट एक्स्ट्रा आहेत की जे A मध्ये नाही. So you can write C is proper subset of set C. बरोबर. आता पुढचं बघा, B तर प्रॉपर सबसेट आहे C चा, A प्रॉपर सबसेट आहे C चा, पुन्हा A प्रॉपर सबसेट आहे C चा आहे. मग आता जर हा प्रॉपर सबसेट असेल, आपण आताच थोड्या वेळापूर्वी काय लिहिलं, या A आणि B बद्दल बोलूया. A is सबसेट ऑफ B, बरोबर आहे का? सबसेटच्या डेफिनेशन प्रमाणे A is सबसेट ऑफ B. अगेन प्रॉपर सबसेटच्या डेफिनेशन प्रमाणे A is proper subset of set B. Now this B is called superset of set A. या B ला आपण A चा सुपरसेट म्हणू शकतो. तसंच इथं काय होईल बघा, B is proper subset of C means B is subset of C. उलट काय होईल, C is superset of B. हे पण होईल ना. Again, this A is proper subset of set B. It is denoted like this. A is subset of B. A is proper subset. If A is proper subset, then you can write like this only. And if it is only subset, then here is one line below the subset symbol. जर आपला नुसता सबसेट असेल तर आपण हे असा सिंबल दिलाय, आणि प्रॉपर सबसेट असेल तर असा सिंबल दिलाय. मग इथं आपण काय लिहिणार आता, B is proper subset of C म्हणजे B is proper subset of C. इथं काय लिहिणार, A is proper subset of C. प्रॉपर सबसेट असेल तर नुसता असा C सारखा सिंबल आहे, आणि सबसेट असेल तर खाली त्याच्या एक अंडरलाइन आहे. The next definition is power set. The set of all subsets of a given set A is called power set of A. The set of all subsets of given set A. एक सेट तयार करायचा आपल्याला. Power set is a set of subsets of a given set A. कुठलाही एक सेट A असेल. This is your set A. Suppose 2, 4 and 6. This is your set A. So power set of A now. Power set of A is again set A. Power set या A चा power set कोण आहे, तर एक set आहे of all subsets of given set A. या A चे सगळे सबसेट्स काढायचे आणि ह्या सबसेट्सचा काय करायचा, एक सेट तयार करायचा. We consider all the subsets of this set A. And set of all these subsets is your power set, and it is denoted by P of A. Now P of A, this is your power set of A. Now consider all the subsets of A. So we see 5 subset of every set. So 5 subset of A now. Again, every singleton set, this only one element is present. मग या A मध्ये कोण आहे, 2, 4 आणि 6 आहे. यांचे सिंगलटन सेट तयार करायचे. So this is singleton set means only one number is present. So in one set there is only 2. In one set there is only 4. In one set there is only 6. Now two elements are present in the set. So first we consider 2 and 4. Then we consider 4 and 6. Then we consider 2 and 6. बघा काय केलं, पहिल्यांदा 0 एलिमेंट घेतले, मग 1 एलिमेंट घेतला, मग 2 एलिमेंट्स घेतले. First we consider only 0 elements are present in this file. Then we consider only one element in this set, means singleton set. Then we consider 3 sets which contains only 2 elements, and then this 2, 4 and 6. Every set is subset of itself. So by this reason this set is subset of this set. A is subset of A. So this is also subset. So power set of A, this is 5, then 2, then 4, then 6, 2, 4, 4, 6, 2, 6 and 2, 4, 6. So this is your all the subsets of A and we consider its set. So this is your power set. So power set contains every element of power set is one set. या पॉवर सेट मधला प्रत्येक एलिमेंट काय आहे तर एक सेट आहे. आतापर्यंत कसं होतं आपण नंबर लिहिले होते, नंबर किंवा अल्फाबेट आपले हे एलिमेंट्स होते. आता या पॉवर सेट मध्ये काय येतं तर या पॉवर सेटचा एक एलिमेंट म्हणजे एक सेट असतो. बघा आहे की नाही, आपण मैरपी कंसात लिहिलेला आहे तो. सो एव्हरी एलिमेंट ऑफ पॉवर सेट is one set. Now how many elements are there? This is first, second, third, fourth. किती आहेत बघा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So n of p of a it is 8. हे किती झाले तर 8 झाले. पुन्हा बघा b it is suppose a and b, only two elements are there. Now power set of B. First is 5. First is 5. Then consider singleton set A. Then consider singleton set B. Then every set is subset of its set. लिहितानाच आपण असं लिहायचं. पहिल्यांदा 5, मग एक एक एलिमेंट असणारे सेट आणि मग दोन दोन एलिमेंट असणारे, मग 3 एलिमेंट असणारे, असंच लिहित जायचं. सो दिस इज युअर पॉवर सेट. आता या पॉवर सेट मध्ये किती एलिमेंट्स आहेत बघा. सो n of p of b दिस इज युअर 4. आता हे आलं कसं ते बघा. दिस 8 means 2 raised to 3. This 3 is number of elements. हे 3 काय the number of elements in set A. N of A is 3. Now here n of B is 2. So this is your 2 raised to 2. This 2 is n of B and this 3 is n of A. Means power set contains how many elements? 2 raised to n of that set A. तुमच्या सेट मध्ये जेवढे एलिमेंट्स असतील तो नंबर या 2 चा घातांक करायचा. टोटल एलिमेंट of this set A is your power of 2. So those elements are present in this power set A.